you're living in a heavily wooded area like this, there's one tool you cannot live without. And no, it's not the tractor. The tractor's great, as you can see. I can scrape the ground, small brush was better than a brush off. But the trees in this area grow so fast that you have to have a chainsaw. I've never used anything but the gas-powered chainsaws. I've never tried the electric. But lately I've seen the battery-powered chainsaws, and I wanted to give them a try. I bought one. I've got a tree I need to cut, so I'll demonstrate how long the battery lasts and how well it cuts. Okay, the brand that I bought was a Greenworks, 60 volt. Got it at Lowe's. There's no secrets there. But I think some of these saws also come in a 80 volt. I don't know what the maximum length of bars that you can buy with a battery operated. But this one, it works pretty good. The only thing that I really don't like about these, and not all models are this way, but it has a delay from the time you pull the trigger. So it's only 1 or 2 seconds, 3 seconds. So if I pull the trigger, about 2 seconds. It's not bad, but some of the models I've seen, like Steel, I think is instant. Keep the area where you're going to be standing fairly clear, and make sure you have an escape, you know, especially if you're just a homeowner. You don't do this every day. Alright, this is where the battery died. Okay, it's 2 hours later. I didn't finish this one long. Okay, I'm not planning to dig this stump up right here for 2 reasons. One reason, I have a water line running right here in front of it somewhere. And the other reason is right on the edge of my driveway, and it's not necessary. I'm not going to clear any further back this way anytime soon, if ever. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it down probably 8 or 10 inches from the ground and call it good.
Well, would I abandon the gas chainsaws for the battery operated? No, not at this time. It's a nice little tool. I have no issues with it as long as you use it for what it's designed for. It's not really designed to fell bigger trees, to cut the bigger trees down. It's not really, not in my opinion, it's not. You can cut some nice sized trees, 10, 12 inches. Just cut them down, cut them up. But to get to bigger trees, no, I wouldn't depend on just a battery operated. Not yet. Technology is getting better. The batteries will get better life. They'll be more powerful. The battery was fully charged when I started, and it didn't make it all the way through that small tree. It made it all the way through all the limbs, and then when I got down to the trunk, the battery finally died. So I went ahead and finished, and then I ended up cutting the trunk. Cut the trunk without being recharged. So as you could see, the trunk was cut in real time. And it was pretty thick. So that the chainsaw does a decent job, but I still wouldn't abandon the gas chainsaws yet. We'll see in time. Well, hopefully what I've told you is useful and help you decide whether to buy one or not. And would I buy another one like that? Yes, I would. It's a nice little tool. And but I also will buy more gas-powered chainsaws. Are there advantages to having the battery-powered chainsaw over the gas-powered? Yeah, one of the advantages is it's a lot quieter. It's power on demand. Now you don't have to fight the thing to get it started. Maybe that's just me with the gas power. I don't know. If your wife's been bugging you about cutting down that old tree out in the back that's really ugly and she wants to get rid of it, you can take this battery powered chainsaw out there and work for a little while, then the battery go dead. Then convince her that the battery's going to take the rest of the evening to charge, and you'll finish it tomorrow. And then go hook up your boat.